Hi everyone and welcome to the Cricut Minute. Today we will learn how to choose and add our designs on the canvas. First, click on Canvas at the top left of your screen. Then select Image on the left. A tab will open with suggested designs. You can type at the very top what you're looking for in the research bar. Today I'm looking for some cute food. Then you can apply some filters. Here I'm selecting cuts because I'm working with vinyl. You can scroll through the designs. I love chocolate, so today I'm going to select the chocolate bar. You can see at the bottom it's giving me some recommendation, and if you click on explore you're going to have access to a lot of similar designs that you could be interested in. To bookmark a design, click on the tag above the plus. To look at all the design you tagged in the past, you can click on bookmarked at the top. To add the design on your canvas, you just need to click on the plus in the bottom right corner of the design. On this chocolate bar, you can notice different colors, which means you're going to have different layers. If you're a beginner, and it's the first time that you're using the Cricut Design Space, I recommend you to start with a single layer design. For that, you can go back in the filters, apply the filter single layer only. Now you see that all the design, they only have one color at the time. Let's just select the cupcake. If you look on the right side of the screen, we can see that for the cupcake, we only have one line, which is just our single layer, which is here black. For the chocolate bar, if you click on the arrow on the left, you will see the different layers corresponding to the different colors. If you want to learn how to change color of a design, you can watch my video link below. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Have fun crafting and have a great day!